This is my new home. I want Manus to go to the IKEA website to help me find some furniture that suits the style. Manus understands the style, finds matching IKEA pieces. All right, here's the output. Designs a layout, shows the full transformation, and lets you shop it instantly. New tea brand to launch? Manus turns your tea idea into a shelf-winning bottle. It scans market trends to nail colors and consumer pull. Finally, it hands you a launch-ready go-to-market plan and produces scroll-stopping posters for every channel. Selling something online. From a few raw photos, Manus builds styled listings and turns them into a full website. Have a story in mind? Manus structures it, illustrates it, and builds it page by page. This isn't just image generation, it's a complete AI agent that calls visual generation tools, style detectors, browser tools, layout engines, etc. Each tool is powerful. Together, they're exponential. Designed to deliver more. Manus.